Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this was a custom requirement that this is the raw data which is coming from some source, and we have to calculate the cost to be billed based on the weight of the item, the service asked for, like express economy or anything, and the time it's going to take. So these three things will be charged, and how these are going to charge. So for example, this weight range, which is up to 3 kg. So we will go to this second sheet. Here we have a limit for the express deliveries, which are having two conditions. Like one weight limit is up to 5 kg, so that will be charged at 28.8. And if this is up to 30 kg, more than 5 and less than 30, so it will take up to 38.4 euros. So we have to match these services which are selected in this column and the weight limits which are on this column, and then we will be picking this value, which is price net plus VAT. And then we'll be using the 15 minutes rate, which is 8.4 euros. So per 15 minutes, and the interval for this time will be 15:45, sorry, 15:30, 15:30, 45, and so on. So this will be a multiple of 5 with a word minute, or doesn't matter if there is no min is written in here. So okay, so once we have all these entries in here, this is the these are the items which I have calculated. So this will break down the weight out of this column, and it will consider the weight of the item and the service to be delivered, and it will pull out the values from this chart accordingly in this column. Right. And then for the minutes, as we have some text in here as well, like min and then spaces and this and that. So to accommodate that you are not getting any errors, it will first pull out the number of times minutes in this column. Once this is done, then it's going to multiply it by the rate which you are applied in here. So you can vary this rate, and this will be dynamically controlled. Like if you will make it 9 in here, you will see the values got changed in here 9. So if I'll undo it 8.4 back, you can see this is also updated. So this is completely dynamic with these lists and this time. Okay, once we have pulled all of these things, so this will be the total for the time billing and the price net plus VAT. So this is the bill to customer thing. Okay, so the idea was to pull these values based on a reference number, which is maybe sending number or shipping number, which will be unique for each entry. So we have added another sheet named controls sheet, which you can always change the name of the tab. And here we have a drop down, and this drop down will have all the entries from this sheet, from the main import sheet, column B. So currently we have 191. So if I'll stretch up to maybe 208, you will see this drop down will get automatically updated up to 208. So if I will stretch it more just to show you, so now it's up to 228. So you will see the 228 in here. And how you can search it is like you just need to scroll down, find out the right serial number, or hopefully yes, hopefully the first three numbers are first 5 6 numbers seem to same, and this will be easy to identify. Or you can uh, always see all the entries, listing values right in here. Like for this one, this is the build cost, and for this one, this is the build cost. So but if you want to have it seen like this, you can always have it. So let me add another entry with the same number. So I'm just duplicating the whole row at the bottom. So now we have two entries with 191. So what I'll do, so we have two entries in here. So if I'll select one, it will pull out both the values in here. So here you can see if there are multiple items, like let me enter more of these. And if I'll copy this data, till here will be good enough. So all of this data is on same serial number, right? So it means we have 6 entries for the same number. So if we have same numbers, no problem. You will see all the entries right in here. And this is obviously the date thing. Okay, so now you can see, let me format it same. Okay, now you can see there are so many entries in here. So if in case we have only one entry like this, so let me delete, and you will see only one entry in here. So this is completely dynamic. You have nothing to do. You just need to extract these values in here. Okay, let me show you something so that how you can add more entries in here, because this is very important. So for example, if you have another express delivery up to 10 kg maybe. So we have another limit, and let me enter it €15. So okay, so currently take this one. So this is currently taking the 37.20, which is 3 kg weight for express delivery. So 3 kgs for express delivery, it's 28. It's taking this one. But I'm going to enter a number more than 5 and less than 10, so that we can see that if it is going to €15. Let's see if that works. If not, we can always work on that. So what I'll do, I'll enter a 6 in here. So when we'll be changing the weight of the package, it should consider the right amount. Like for example, if you have just added another limit between the express packaging, like 530 between, and I have added a number between 5 and 10, which is so 5 and 30, which is 10, and it should show 15. So anything above 5 and less than or equal to 10 should show €15. It's just a test. Okay, so if I'll enter 10 in here, you'll see. So with slight change in the formula, it seems that now it is accommodating both the values, like the higher value or the and the lower value. So if we will change this to 10 kg, it's showing 15 in here. So if I'll do make it 6 instead of 10, it's still showing the 15. So basically it's going above 5 kgs. It's between 5 and 10. So if I'll go above 10, so it should show 38.4. Let's see if I'll make it 11. Yep, 13.38.4. And if I'll make it 2 kg, which is not in the limit, which is the lowest one, still it's working. So it's reaching up to 5 kg limit, which is 28.8. Now, what if I'll go beyond 30 kg? So if I'll make it 50, still working, and it's still showing the 38.4, which is the highest one available, which is 38.4. So yes, it seems working fine so far, though it took a bit while to figure out, but yes, it's done. And this all these value will be can be fetched right in here using this drop down, which is the most probably the ID of the contact or the entry. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Thank you. Bye.